What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Before we get started here, if you'd like to support my channel, I do have Patreon. There's a link right down in the description. There you can find my Metal Complex logo sticker and my Metal Knight helmet sticker available at some of the lower tiers, as well as once a week Patreon exclusive content that's available to all tiers, even the $1 tier. So if you'd like to check any of that stuff out and at the same time support this channel and at the same time get a free shout out, whether you want me to plug your Instagram, your YouTube channel, or you just want me to say something ridiculous or funny, that's completely fine as long as it's appropriate for YouTube. Any support would absolutely mean the world to me. Let's go ahead and get into that box. Look at that, 45 seconds. I'm getting this down, guys. As usual, if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea, there is a link down in the description where you can obtain her for your own unboxing adventures or adventures of any type. There's also other stuff down there like knives and knife maintenance stuff. And we have a Civivi knife. And of course, if this, whatever this is, if it ends up being a knife that I can provide a link for, there'll be a link for this down there as well. I love Civivi. I love Civivi. They're killing it right now. Okay, here we go. Here we go. What do we have? It feels like a medium-sized knife. Oh yeah. Okay, I just looked at this for the very first time the other day. What is this? Please have it printed on the box. Is it? Yeah, there it is. The Shredder. Black coarse G10 handle. Gray colors, stainless steel liner detail. Okay, good. So we don't have the colored liners. It's kind of a matte gray. Look at that. It's kind of a matte gray. Okay, so they say coarse G10. Not quite as coarse as like what Artisan Cutlery did with the large begletter. But it's more textured than like the Civivi Praxis here. No, I like it. I'm okay with the texturing they've got there. Of course. Oh, I missed it first try. There we go. I knew this was going to be set up to do that. Yeah, it's great. Oh, that's sweet. That is sweet. So it kind of feels like, this feels very backlashy. In fact, this is larger than I thought it was going to be. I remember seeing a picture of it and thinking, that's going to be a smaller knife. No, this is definitely a full-size knife. In fact, I'll go ahead and just put it right up against the Praxis so you guys can see. Yeah, is it longer than the Praxis? It's almost exactly the same length as the Praxis. But you get this awesome, you know, this area right here where you can easily thumb the blade out like this or do the reverse flick. Yeah, the reverse flick is great. You just need to find the right spot. For me, I'm feeling like it's right in the middle. You get your fingernail right underneath that arch and then fire it and bam, it's good. You also have plenty of room right here to choke up. Nice thumb ramp. Yeah, I can see why they call this the Shredder too. It gets quite thin down there behind the edge. Look at this nice black hardware in contrast with these smoky gray liners. This is nice. This is a configuration that I like. So more subdued, not quite so, you know, some of the other Civivi knives have had the multicolored liners and all that crazy stuff. Now this is good. This is good. D2 steel. Yeah. So far I'm a big fan of this. Can't wait to carry it, play with it, gather my thoughts on it, and then present them to you guys in the form of a review. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. Like I said, there's going to be links in the description. If this guy's available, I'll have that down there, but also links in the description for a lot of the knives and a lot of the stuff you see on this channel all the time, whether it's EDC tools or gear or knives, whatever, it's all down there. So whatever itch you have, if you need to have it scratched, feel free to take a look at my description. I've got stuff down there for everybody. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Can you see that around the video? So there's probably 2 videos right here, so you can't see that. Anyways, thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.